Food and nutrition security, including the right to adequate food, is already a global commitment thanks to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, and in particular to Goal 2, Zero Hunger. However, around 820 million people suffer from chronic hunger, and about 650 million adults are obese. To eradicate malnutrition in all its forms, we need everybody to participate. Academia, the private sector, civil society, farmers and consumers, and also parliamentary representatives who play a strategic role for their ability to legislate, allocate budgets and reach national consensus. Faced with this challenge, parliamentarians from Latin America and the Caribbean, Asia, Africa and Europe are working together to position the fight against hunger and malnutrition at the top of political agendas. To identify and share policy experiences, legislation and good practices, the Spanish Parliament, the Spanish Agency for International Development Cooperation, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, and the Parliamentary Front Against Hunger in Latin America and the Caribbean have organized the first global parliamentary summit against hunger and malnutrition.
Erradicar el hambre y la malnutrición hasta 2030 sigue siendo posible cuando las políticas y programas públicos son respaldados por procesos legislativos estables e inclusivos. Los indicadores de malnutrición y de inseguridad alimentaria mejoran significativamente.